welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today on the Countdown to Christmas. We're on project number 19, and today I'm sharing with you these mini car care kits. Now, I kind of came up with this idea last year, but I didn't quite finish it, so I thought I'd take another look at it and see if I could put them together. So I'll show you what I've done. Sorry about the noise, because some of them are in cellophane packages already, so they might be a little noisy, but I'll try to keep it quiet. So what I've done is made like these little kits that would be great to keep in your car or your vehicle. They have a piece of cardboard that I've covered on both sides. This one I've covered with a wood grain paper on the front and back. And then I've attached a few different things that you could use in your car. So on this, there's a Kleenex package back there. There's a couple of wet wipes that I've wrapped with some scrapbook paper to just, dress it up a little bit. There's a car air freshener. This one says new car, and that has a little topper on it as well inside another little bag in there. I've got some Mentos. And I've got some hand sanitizer, and I've just wrapped that with some scrapbook paper and tied a little piece of twine around that, and then put them in these cellophane bags. I've added just some little bit of the paper shred on the bottom and made a topper for it and kind of dressed it up with, you could use whatever sayings you like. This one says Happy Holiday. I just liked it because of the silver and the blue kind of went together. So that's the first one. And then here's another one. And this one I did the same with the same wood grain paper on the front and back. And there's a label on there that I stuck on that you could write to from on there if you want. And so the similar things in here. This one I had already closed up and I hadn't put the mints in. So it's got everything the same except for the mints. But that's good. And then I did one that's a little more maybe for a woman or a girl. It's got a little bit of glitter on the wrappings in here, but it's got the Kleenex package, it's got some wet wipes, and I've wrapped it in some pretty poinsettia paper and used a stamp on there that says Joy. It's got the hand sanitizer there, and it's got some glitter stamped image on there with the poinsettia. The Mentos are wrapped in a poinsettia paper as well, and it's got an air freshener in there too that's in a little package with a little topper. And then I've used a polka dot glitter topper on this one. It says Merry and Bright, and I just covered up the staples when I closed the bags with the little tree sticker on that one. So yeah, I thought that turned out really cute. And then we'll get those out of the way, and I'll try to put one together for you as I show you the individual products. Okay, so this one, I've already made the little cardboard backing here, and I've put some Christmas wrap on the back of this one. It's got the diagonal stripe on it. And then I've just used some little foam adhesive to attach some of the things on, because that way they're not going to slide around in the package, and it looks a lot nicer. So this one I've covered the hand sanitizer with some of the wood grain paper on the back, and then a little reindeer print on the front. And then the next thing I've got, these two I've already attached them together. It's a new car air freshener here, and it's got a Christmas topper that I've added. A couple of wet wipes here, and that's got a reindeer paper with the diagonal stripe that matches the back on there. And then I've wrapped up the Mentos just in some pretty Christmas paper here as well. So makes a nice little package. And then I put it into the cellophane bag with the paper shred on the bottom there. Sorry for the noise as I close this. So I'll just kind of close the top. Hold it down here. And then I've got a topper ready to go here. I might have to trim it a little bit, but this is the idea. So it's like this. Just staple it like so. I think I'll just trim the end of this because it's a little bit long. So that off and staple this end here. Just like that. And then you can just decorate the topper as you like. I just have a little, let's see, little snowman here that I can put on this side to cover up the staple. Kind of cute. And then I have some sheet of stickers that I picked up at the Dollar Tree, and I'll just put one of those on there. Let's see, which one shall we use? Maybe, I think this one fits on here pretty good. It says Merry Christmas on it, and it's got a snowflake on there. That's nice and bright. And so that's all there is to it. So I think those make really nice little gifts. It'd be great for teenagers. It'd be good for, you know, mums and dads, or maybe for a grandparent. They're useful to most people, I would think, and kind of a good thing to keep in your car. So I hope you enjoyed that, and you feel inspired to put one of these together yourself. And thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.